Hi there, I wonder if you can help me. I know this is the pregnancy smoke line, but what it is my wife's actually pregnant and I can't stop smoking around about her, and I know it's bad for the baby. I'm just wondering if you can give me some advice and help, because I know it's really, really bad to do.
Well, you'd be best, I mean, do you want to give up smoking?
No, not really. It's just because I have to, baby. But I know I should for my own health as well as my baby's and my wife.
Yeah, of course, it's got to be the right time for you to give up.
Yeah, but
You've got to want to, so what to do maybe just now, if you don't want to give up, you should set yourself some boundaries about where you can actually smoke. And the first one would be not around her.
I've tried that, but everywhere I go she follows. I mean,
Well,
she's
do
like my shadow.
you live together?
Yeah.
Right, how about you're only allowed to smoke outside? Now, you only smoke for 5 minutes. I'm sure she doesn't need to go outside with you.
Seriously, I can't get rid of her. I've tried to get rid of her all the time and she just keeps following me. It's
Well,
not her.
then, she's the one that's putting her baby at risk by following somebody that's smoking. You know, you're going to have to speak to her about it and say that she can't really do that.
I've tried, I know, and she just won't listen. I mean, honestly, I don't know what to do. It's getting really, really bad.
Lock yourself in the toilet and have your cigarette there.
She's got a key for the toilet. There's nothing I can do.
Well, look, I mean, you're going to have to speak to her. There's nothing I can do from this end about that. You're going to have to...
Could you speak to her maybe?
What, is she there?
Yeah, she's here just now. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
How can I help you?
I want my boyfriend to stop smoking.
Well, it's okay. This line isn't for messing about. Well, okay, so I'm going to end your call. Bye.